farmers be able to repair the tractors?
This question is answered by the previous one. If the farmers build their own agbots from a kit, then they'll already have a very good understanding of how they are assembled both mechanically and electrically. The computer systems are still a trouble area for farmers, as most don't have the skills needed to diagnose and repair complex computer and electronic systems. We imagine that with the increase in global Wi-Fi, read about Elon Musk surrounding the Earth with small, cheap Wi-Fi satellites, the robots will be able to remotely connect with technicians anywhere in the world and download their issues. Technicians can report back to the farmers where the specific problem lies and either give them instructions for repair or send them new parts if the existing ones are not repairable.
And that's all the questions I have. So thank you.